Hey guys, what's up? This is Ben. Today's video is about how you scale in AutoCAD accurately. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go. Our example for today is an office layout. Let's check this one, the concierge area. As you can see, this person is almost doubled its size and it's not correctly scaled. We're going to check its size. So the eye for distance to check the width of this person. It's quite large for a person's width, so we're going to scale it accurately. Type command APP for upload, then click enter. Then this window will pop AutoCAD LISP. So I'll choose the scale axis, load, then close. By the way guys, scale axis is customized AutoCAD command. I will leave the link in the description so you can download and use it on your project. Then type command SCA for scale axis. Choose the second one. Then select the objects. Just click and drag selection window right or left. Hit enter. Select the base point. I will choose the corner of this table. Then after that, you will specify the axis to scale X or Y. So for me, I will type X for X axis, then specify the reference length and the second point. I will scale down 1600 to 800 millimeters. Then you'll see it scales down the X axis, only one axis. Then guys, repeat the process, scale axis, and this time we're going to scale down the Y axis. Then boom, you got this one. Scale it accurately and proportional to its size. Then type command M for move. Nice. Okay, let's check the other one. This one, a chair. Okay guys, I will repeat the process. By this time, I will adjust the size of this 450 to 600 millimeters. So type SCA for scale axis. Since this line lies along the y-axis, so I will press Y for y-axis. Hit enter. Okay. Just adjust the dimension line. Okay guys, I will tell you the difference of regular scale and scale axis. Regular scale command, if you scale X, then Y scales also, and vice versa. While scale axis, you can control X and Y axis, so you can individually scale. That's all for today guys, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Comment down below guys if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.